Hello, first grader. Today we are going to make words in the ut family. So words that have ut. Now, can you guess what two sounds we're going to use, or what two letters we're going to use that make the sound ut? Let's stretch it out. Let's use stretchy snake and let's stretch it out. Ut. Ut. What letter makes U? The letter U makes Remember, get your word building, your word work folder out, and we can do this together. T. What word is gonna make T? Ut is U-T. Ut. Let's read that together. Ut, ut, ut. Let's read it again. Ut, ut, ut. Okay. Let's make our first word. The first word I want to make is the word cut. Cut. I will cut this piece of paper with my sharp scissors. Cut. What letter needs to go here to make cut? Cut. I'm gonna let you choose first. Okay, C will go there. Cut. Make this word with me and read it with me. Cut. Cut, cut, cut. Now I want you to make cut into the word but. Now this word is a sight word. It's like, I would go play with you, but I have to get my chores done first. But. I want you to make the word but. Change cut to but. Do that now. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do it. Now, friends, if I'm going too fast for you, you can pause and really take your time and think, what letter sound should go there? So I put the C back, and I want to make the word but. But. B would be B like boy. Read it with me. But. Good. Now I want you to change but to the word hut. Pause the video and change but to hut. This will stay the same. We're going to change B to H. Read it with me. Hut. Hut. Now I want you to change hut to the word gut. Pause the video and change hut to gut. I could feel it in my gut. 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 Okay, we are going to change H to G. G says G. Read it with me. Gut. 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 Good. Now I want you to change gut to the word jut. 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 The letter that makes J, and it's not going to be G. Sometimes G makes J, but it's not going to be G this time. Jut. Change this word to the word jut. Jut. All right, let's change G. What letter should we use? J. Very good. Let's read this word. Jut. 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 Good. Now I want you to change jut to the word nut. Nut. Change jut to nut. An acorn is a nut. Nut. We don't need the J. We're going to change jut to nut. Remember, I said this was a strategy. You can tap what sound should be there and say it, and then think to yourself, what can I put there? Nut. Nut. Nut, nut, nut. Good. Now let's change nut to rut. 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 Pause this video and change nut to rut. We don't need N. What should go here? Ut. Ut. Rut. R will go here. Ut. Ut. Rut, rut, rut. Okay. So now I want you to change rut to the word shut. What letters would make sh? 2 letters, 1 sound, and I'll give you a hint. If you have 2 letters and 1 sound, you're gonna find it on this side. 2 letters, 1 sound, and we wanted to say sh, 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 Look on this side. SH. Shh. Says shh. SH says shh. Sh. Do it with me. Sh. Shut. 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 All right, let's put our letters back. Good job today. Let's keep learning words in the ut family.